Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. Daily English.
That's right, the place where you get real English for real life. I'm Brad.
And I'm Angelina. Brad, it's great to see you today.
You too, Angelina. Today is a big day. We're starting from the very beginning, aren't we?
Absolutely. We're diving into the 10 most essential words you need to know to start speaking English right now. Let's get started.
Let's start with a simple greeting, hi. That's H-I. You see a friend? Say hi. You see a neighbor? Say hi. You can say hi when you answer the phone. You can say hi at school. Say it with me. Hi.
The opposite of hi is bye. When you finish talking or when you leave a place, you say bye. The party is over? Say bye. Time to go home? Say bye-bye. Bye is quick. Bye-bye is friendly. Try this. Bye.
Our third word is yes. It means you agree, you accept, or you want something. Do you want a coffee? Yes. Do you like learning English? Yes. Is the sky blue? Yes, yes, yes.
And if you don't agree, the word is no. It means the opposite of yes. Do you want to stop learning? No. Do you want to be late? No. No is a powerful word. You can also just shake your head and say no.
This is the magic word, please. Use it before you ask for anything to be polite. Want a water? Say water, please. Want some help? Say help, please. Always remember to use please. It's the kindest word, please.
When someone does something kind for you, you say thank you. This shows gratitude. Someone gives you a present. Thank you. Brad passes me the pen. I say, thank you, Brad. You can also say thanks. Thank you.
Number 7 is for apologies, sorry. If you make a mistake, you say sorry. Did you accidentally step on someone's foot? Say sorry. Did you forget something? Say sorry. It's used for small and big mistakes. Try saying sorry now.
This simple word, me, refers to yourself. When you talk about receiving something, you use me. Give the phone to me. This gift is for me. Me is just you. Repeat, for me, to me, it is me.
The opposite of me is you. It refers to the person we are speaking to. I am talking to you. You are watching this video. You are doing great. I hope you understand you is the person in front of you.
Our final word is the question word, what. You use this when you need information or didn't hear something. You don't understand the question? Say what? You see a strange object? What is this? Ask what when you need information. What? What? What?
Wow, Angelina, that was fantastic. Our learners now have 10 powerful words to start their English journey.
They certainly do, Brad. And here is the complete list of what you learned today.
Today we learned hi,
Bye.
yes,
No.
please,
Thank you.
sorry,
Me.
you.
And what?
That's 10 words. Now practice them. Your homework is to use at least 5 of these words today.
And if you want more real English for real life lessons, make sure you subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. Daily English.
We can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.